Hi, this is an instructional video on how to set up your test environment for the Proctored assessment you've been invited to take. Please listen attentively and watch this step-by-step guide. Your email will look like this: your Workforce Group logo, your name, the name of the client, the name of the assessment you're about to take, and the duration of the assessment. Also, it is important to read and understand the instructions carefully. Violating any of these instructions can end your test abruptly or disqualify you. You can also reach out to us in case you face any technical challenges. We will be glad to help. It is important to note that you need to have an updated version of any of Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox browser installed on your system. For the sake of this video, we will be showing you the step-by-step guides for each of these browsers, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. From your mail, you would have two links embedded: the Check System Compatibility and the Start Test. You should use the Start Test link when it's time for your test. The Check System Compatibility link can be used anytime, days or hours before the time of your test. It is advised that you check your system compatibility with the test machine. To do so, click on the Check System Compatibility. This will check your browser settings to ensure that everything is working fine. An extension will be needed to be downloaded to your system. Please follow the instructions by clicking on this button. Fortunately or unfortunately, the installation failed. No worries. You should copy this link by clicking on this button, open a new window, and paste the copied link to access the extension page. From this, click on Add to Chrome. Confirm. You would receive this confirmation message that the extension has been successfully added to your Google Chrome browser. You can close this window and refresh the page after installation. After installing and refreshing, you see this window. Click on anywhere on this icon and click on Share. You will be asked to give permission to access your webcam and your audio via the microphone. Please allow this. Also, you'll be asked to hide the screen sharing widget, which is this. Click on Hide and proceed. That's how to set up your system using the Google Chrome browser. Now, to check up with the Mozilla Firefox. Back here, we can copy out the link and paste this in our Mozilla Firefox browser. As you can see, it is the same process. The system is seeking to get permission to your screen. It's slightly different from Google Chrome, but following the instruction on the screen would guide you. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Entire Screen. Click on Allow. You'll be asked to give permission to camera and audio. Click on Remember this decision. This will make it faster when you're about to take your test. And that is it. That is how to run a system compatibility check before the time of your test. Everything looks fine with your computer. The same process will be done when it's time for your test. It's test time and you need to begin your test. Click on the Start Test button. The system would check your browser setting the same way and follow the same process from the system compatibility check. Click on anywhere on this icon, click on Share. Because we've given access to microphone and camera, it's going to automatically update this. Wait for some few seconds. Now, the system would automatically accept that since we've given permission while taking the system compatibility check. Hide the screen widget button, scroll down and click on Proceed. The test will load up. Click on Next button. Read the instructions carefully before you begin the test. At this point, it is important to note that you should close all other pages or windows that you've opened before taking the test. Ensure that you disable any pop-up that could come up while taking your test, as the system would see this as another window and could shut down your test abruptly. Please follow these instructions so as not to have any issues while taking your test. Thank you.